Thank you for viewing this tour. If you would like a private showing of this home, please contact Kathy Stenson at 281-728-3948. Introducing 15,831 Fern Basin, a spacious one-story nestled in the established neighborhood of Bear Creek Village. Open and inviting floor plan with high ceilings, natural lighting, and beautiful flooring. The island kitchen with a breakfast bar and separate dining area has beautiful saltillo tile flooring and a spacious family room with a cozy fireplace. The master suite has a large walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with a shower, and large vanity. The 2 additional bedrooms are generously sized and share a full bathroom. The backyard is an entertainer's dream, with a large covered patio and plenty of space for outdoor activities. The yard is beautifully landscaped and offers plenty of privacy. Bear Creek Village offers its residents 2 pools, a playground, tennis courts, and a pickleball court. Elementary school in the neighborhood. No flooding during Harvey. Great location.